With Galaxy Watch 6 and the new software, which is Wear OS 4 and One UI version 5, we have a new sleep mode here as well. And this has been synced up with your Galaxy phones. So you no more have a standalone sleep mode on your watch. It works in tandem with your phone. So let's go in settings and let me show you what I mean. Go in settings, and here the second setting you will see is modes. Go in here, go in sleep mode. There are two options here: turn on now or turn on as scheduled. Now if you turn it on now, it will work as usual. When you turn it on, it will turn on, and it will turn off always on display, raise wrist to wake, and depending on your settings it will turn on do not disturb mode or not. But if you want to schedule it to turn on or off at a specific time, you need to do a lot more than just set time and days on the watch like you used to do previously on previous watches. It has been changed totally. So now you see that there is an option to set on phone because it has been synced up with the sleep mode on your phone. You cannot do it on your watch anymore. So set on phone, and then it opens up the sleep mode on the phone. Here you can set your schedule. You can select your do not disturb mode. You can go in here. You can allow specific callers for their calls to go through or messages to go through. Same for the apps. I have none allowed because that's the whole point of the do not disturb mode. Then you can also restrict app usage here. You can restrict any apps that you don't want to use. You can change settings, turn on the dark mode, turn on grayscale, eye comfort shield, whatever you want, and then wallpapers. But we are looking to schedule the sleep mode on the watch, and for that we are concerned with this setting at the top, turn on automatically. Now here you will see two schedules. The one at the top is actually the wake up alarm. So if you go in here, you can set the time for your sleep mode, and then at the end of it you can set up the wake up alarm, sound, vibration, whatever you want. You can do all that. But we need this one down here, second option. This is your schedule. You can set it by time: sunrise until sunset, sunset until next day sunrise, start time, end time. You can select these. Then you can set up time all day, select the days, and you have the option to turn off during public holidays, and then press done, and you have your schedule set up. Another thing you can do here is add conditions. So you can select your Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi strength, and all of these conditions you can have them turned on or off during your sleep mode. So that's how you schedule sleep mode on your watch now, and it works with your phone. You cannot do it just on your watch. Now let's give it a test, and when I will turn on the sleep mode on my watch, you will see that my phone goes in the dark mode because I have dark mode on when sleep mode turns on in change settings option here. So now the sleep mode is turned on, do not disturb is turned on my phone because we are in the sleep mode.